Hi everybody. Oh man, it's been a long day. I'm in the van, got insulation and mineral wool and some other good projects going on, but I kind of wanted to go ahead and record this because today my boss called me into the office and basically told me that he's letting me go. So today I lost my job, which means that I'll be finally moving into my van full-time to chase the life as a travel photographer. No, I'm just kidding. No way, I'm not doing that. But I've got some time, I've got some vacation, and I've got probably get at least some kind of severance package. I'm an engineer, if that explains why I can do some of the work that I do on the van and have access to a forklift and things like that. But anyway, so that's going to go away pretty soon. Anyway, in van news, I'm going to start putting in Reflectix insulation as a radiant barrier to block heat radiating in from the Texas sunlight. And I'm going to do it the right way with Reflectix, which is you have to have an actual gap, an air gap between Reflectix and the wall so that the radiant heat can come in and bounce off and go back out again, and not many people do that. I'm going to do it the right way, put in Reflectix and then put in rock wool or mineral wool, mostly for sound insulation to really quiet things down. It should provide some insulation in the winter as well, which is not important right now, but a nice quiet ride inside is a very good thing to have. But anyway, I just want to get some thoughts out and say what's going on. So that's that. I'll have some more work on the van coming very soon. I've had a floor lately, which is really nice. It's really gonna start going rapidly. So see you guys later. I'll let you know how the job stuff goes. Take care.